WP Wizardry. My name is Richard, and I am here to guide you on your WordPress journey. In today's video, I will show you how to install WordPress step by steps, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a portfolio website, this tutorial is the perfect place to begin. We'll be using Namecheap as our hosting provider. So we have two link at which we can actually get WordPress. And in a simple terms, I would say WordPress is one of the most powerful website builders and content management systems, CMS, used by millions of websites worldwide now. There are two types of WordPress. We have WordPress.com and we also have WordPress.org. So for WordPress.com it is hosted. Um, I would say WordPress.com is a hosted platform either to start, but with limited customization option. While for WordPress.org is a self-hosted version that give you full control over your website, and that is what we'll be using today. With WordPress.org, you can create any type of website, whether it is a blog, an e-commerce website, or a business portfolio. And you can see this is WordPress.com. This is WordPress.org. So with this, like I said before, you can customize this. You have full access to do everything that you want to do, and then it is a self-hosted version that gives you full control over your website need or requirement, and that is what we'll be using today. Okay, so let's dive in to the process on how to go about this. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome to the third video where I'll be showing you the process on which you can use in getting your domain name and your hosting, because those are the two things you actually need to start. You need to get a domain name and then you need to get an hosting account. And like I said in my previous video, I highly recommend Namecheap if you are just starting up in the web development phase. Namecheap is your best bet because of their customer services. They are very reliable and then very trustworthy in terms of customer services. But as time goes on, you might want to use other service provider. It's just a choice. So this is Namecheap website. So just go to our browser, go to namecheap.com. Okay, this is the interface. Then this is yeah, this is the search icon or the search space where you can type the domain name you want to buy. I say I want to buy a domain name on TFS production. This is a production, okay, and I say .com. So we have .com, we have .org, we have .ng, we have .uk. It all depends what you're trying to achieve at that point in time, so or what is the aim of the website you're trying to build. For example, if you are starting a blog, you can try something like myblogtips.com. Once you find an available domain, add it to your chart, okay? And then next is to go to your hosting, which I'll be showing us how to do them. So you can see this tfsproduction.com is now available. So I'll just close this up now and then look for something that is available for me to purchase. TFS production. I say TFS production.com. Is that available? I see. Yes, this is available, but I don't want to use tfsproductions.com. So what I'll be using is I'll be using something different from this. So whatever thing you want to um, register, whatever domain name you want to register, this is just the same process you go about it. Then um, let's see the let's see okay tips. Let me just add tips.com. tfsproductiontips.com. So you can see it's available just 8.848 dollars per year. So just click on add to chat. Okay, you add to chat. You just wait for it to finish loading. Then you can see this is. Then you go to your hosting. This is your hosting here. Then you come to share hosting. This is hosting. For beginners, I recommend the Stellar plan. Yes, this is hosting. So we just use. Please don't make mistake here, right? So when you come to hosting, just move your cursor to hosting and click on share hosting. So you scroll down, you can see you're having three plan. Yes, I think it's just three plan. They've not added anyone. Yes, yes. So we have Stellar, we have Stellar Plus, we have Stellar Business. So if for beginners, I recommend Stellar Plan. Yes, I recommend Stellar Plan. This. So the reason why I recommend this is it will save you cost in the future run. Because if you look at the benefit, it says domain name, unlimited website, unlimited SSD, unlimited mailbox. So why this one is telling us that we just domain name, then three websites. So as time goes on, I'll be telling us how why is this showing three websites. But meanwhile, I can see explain it here. It's just saying on this hosting account, you can manage three domain on the hosting account. What does that really mean? It means that if I link one domain name to this hosting plan, which is Stellar, I can lead extra three domain name to it. So I don't need to buy an hosting account for any other domain name I want to buy. Like say, I have three business, right? One is for food production, the other one is for shoe production, the other one is, so they are different business entity, but I am the one managing them and the CEO of all the whole three business. So for me to save cost, I will just buy one of the hosting account, then peg it with um, the domain that the hosting can accommodate. This Stellar hosting can only accommodate three websites. So why this Stellar Plus can accommodate unlimited website, that is unlimited domain. Okay, I hope that is clear. So if you're a beginner, I just advise you to go for this. But if you're trying to, maybe you don't have the finance for this, you can go for this. It's still the same thing. Okay, so we'll just click this. We'll click this, get started. Okay, so this is the total cost. We have our domain, we have our hosting, we have our domain. Total cost is $37.12. So we'll just click on add to chart. Okay, so it's loading. So for you to verify this again, you can see Stellar Plus. This is the cost. So I think after paying this for the first year, then the consequence year you'll be paying this. Okay. So whichever way, this is for our domain also. You're paying this. That is because of the promo New Year's sales. We are paying this $5.98. Then after this year, that is after 1 year expiration, then you'll be able to pay this. So for this, just leave this enable like this. Let's go down, auto renew. This is just maybe you don't want to be renewing this manually, then you just want it to be an automated process. So so that is when you just have to leave this on like this. Then if you sure every other thing are clear, so yeah, you can increase the year. Maybe you just want to do 2 years subscription. You can see it, the money have increased, but I'll just leave it 1 year. Okay. Then for the domain, maybe you want to do 5 years, you want to do up to 10 years. It's all your choice, but I'll just leave it back to 1 year again. So I'll just click on confirm order. You can see. So it's asking me to sign in. So if I don't have account with them, I can easily create an account here. I'll just put an username, then I'll put a password, my name, then my email ID. So because I already have an email ID with them, so I'll go ahead to just look for the the username that I've created for this purpose. Then I'll just put the password there, and then I'll just click on sign in. Let me look for the password. Alright, good. I guess I was entering the wrong information before. So this is, yes, it's asking me for verification code. Just give me a second. Let me check my email so I can put the verification code here. All right, so I've gotten the verification code. I'll just put it here. It's A9C8F6. Okay, so you can see these are account contact information. So you have to put your contact information. We call it who is. So you have to put all details, your address, your country, where you are. If you are Nigeria, if you are in United States of America, then you just have to put United States there. So if you, wherever in the world that you are, just choose your right country and then put it there. So once you're done, then you click on continue, and you can see all this information. You just have to put them correctly, and then you click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will ask you for your payment. You just put your ATM card, or either you want to use Bitcoin or you want to use PayPal to pay. So whichever option that you are going for, just click on payment. That is the setup. Then you billing. Then you click on order. Then you click on done. And yeah, I'm registering on behalf of the company. Let me just next video. I'll be showing us how to install WordPress on our Namecheap account. You see, we've gotten our domain name, we've gotten our hosting account, so we want to now log into our Namecheap account. We want to start installing WordPress on our account. I see you again. Take care.